healthy spine, good posture, toned core. Bodyweight exercises have gained popularity due to their practicality and proven results, and among them, one stands out: planks. Welcome to Healthy Fit Guide, and today we're going to tell you what happens to your body when you start practicing 1 minute of plank daily. Planks are exercises that are never overlooked. They are a functional way to strengthen not only the core but also the arms and legs. In short, the entire structure required to maintain the plank position. Doing 1 minute of plank every day helps strengthen the core and provide the strength the spine needs. But it's not just about health. Many trainers prefer plank exercises not only for injury prevention but also for abdominal strengthening and opt for isometric exercises instead of focusing on strength with movement. But what actually happens to your body when you start doing planks for 1 minute? Let's highlight some of the main changes. Strengthens the spine. Planks activate the whole body, including the back muscles and the deep muscles of the spine, which play a role in stabilizing the spine during the plank position to keep it protected. These muscles, over time, provide structure to the spine, preventing lower back pain and pain throughout the spine. Strengthens the abdomen. The most obvious change in doing 1 minute of plank daily is the strengthening of the core, but the most important are the benefits. A strong core is the foundation for various activities such as CrossFit, tennis, and even martial arts. So, if you practice any sports discipline, consider doing planks every day and see the results in your sport. Improves overall balance. The core is literally the body's point of balance. When you strengthen the central region of your body, your entire center of gravity becomes adjusted. This brings benefits both to daily life and sports practice. In everyday life, a balanced spine and evenly distributed weight ensure the health your spine needs to work for hours while sitting. In sports practice, doing 1 minute of plank brings benefits to other specific exercises, such as squats, front squats, and snatches. These movements require not only leg strength, but also balance to exert force correctly from all angles. When you strengthen the core by doing 1 minute of plank daily, your spine gains structure to balance and distribute forces evenly. So, start doing planks. It's simple, practical, safe, and can be done anywhere. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you next time for more information on health and well-being. Bye.